CLB5, welcome to LINC assessment. Listen to the speaker. The speaker is someone from EMCN trying to help a student who is having problems joining Big Blue Button. Here we go. I think I fixed everything. The problem was on my end, not your end. I've seen this problem before, but I'm still a little confused. Anyway, we need to check to make sure everything is working now. Also, if anything still isn't working, it will give us a grip on what's actually going on. Okay, we need to determine if your audio and video are working properly. First, can you mute and unmute yourself? Then, I'd like you to leave the audio and turn off your webcam. I don't want you to leave the classroom, however. Afterwards, I need you to join audio and turn your webcam back on. Sometimes this step helps. I'm just going to assume today that if it works in the main classroom, it will work in the breakout rooms. So we're not going to test breakout rooms. When you're finished and you have your audio and video running, we need to test the public chat, the whiteboard, and the shared notes. It doesn't matter which order you do it in. Just write your name and a short greeting in each one. For example, hello, this is Michael, will work just fine. When you're using the whiteboard, I want you to write your name once using the text function in green. If all of that works, then everything should be good.